बेटी हूँ और मुझ में है इस्मत भी, मैं बहन हूँ और मुझ में है गैरत भी, मैं हव्वा हूँ और मुझ में है मरियम व फातिमा भी। मगर अफसोस अब ये किस्से है, हकीकत कुछ भी नहीं। असल हकीकत ये है कि मर्द की दुनिया है और मैं कुछ भी नहीं। कहीं तशहीर का सामान हूँ तो कहीं तज़लील का उन्वान हूँ, कहीं माँ हूँ तो रुस्वा तो कहीं बहन के नाम पर एक गाली हूँ, कहीं बेटी हूँ तो एक बोझ सा महसूस होती हूँ, शादी ना हो तो किस्मत की लकीरों से खाली कहलाती हूँ। काबिले नफ़रत समझी जाती है आप भी मेरी पैदाइश यहाँ, मर्दों की हर एक गंदी गाली मुझसे है मंसूब यहाँ इज्जत भी मेरी जब लूटी जाती है, फिर गैरत के नाम पे जान भी मेरी ही जाती है। कहीं गैरत के नाम पर जान से मार दी जाती हूँ तो कहीं बाई के गुनाह की सज़ा में ज़िंदा जलाई जाती हूँ। हव्वा हूँ और हव्वा की बेटी भी कहलाती हूँ, पर फिर भी आदम के बेटों का निशाना बन जाती हूँ। मेरा जुर्म फ़कत इतना ही है कि मर्दों की इस दुनिया में मैं सिर्फ़ एक औरत कहलाती हूँ।
Respected President, my respected teachers, and all of my fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I have been given a special opportunity to share my views about the topic Happy Women's Day. Dear fellows, International Women's Day is celebrated every year on 8th March all around the world to honor the remarkable contribution of women in our society. It is a global day as it celebrates the social, economic, cultural and political achievements of women in our society. This day signifies to raise awareness about the women's equality. This day also highlights the issues such as gender equality, reproductive rights and violence and abuse against women. The International Women's Day celebration initiative was started by the United Nations in 1975, but America, Germany also led this campaign back in 1909 and 1910. The day purple, green and white are the colors of International Women's Day. Purple symbolizes justice and dignity. Green represents hope. White represents purity, albeit a controversial concept. For few countries, it is a public holiday. For few by celebrating womanhood, and few.
Respected teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I feel proud and privileged to stand in front of the UN this March occasion. The topic on which I want to express my views is International Women's Day. Feminism is not about making women strong. Women are already strong. It's about changing the way the world perceives that strength. Dear fellows, it's the day dedicating to celebrating women's achievements in various social, cultural and political fields. You must be wondering that why Women's Day is celebrating on 8 March? Well, there is a brief history around it that goes back 113 years. It was in 1909 when a political party of America celebrates 15,000 women who protested against various issues like low pay scale, equal opportunities, lack of voting rights and New York City. And after that, as the news spread, National Women's Day was done across the world, but it was Russia who set the March 8 date. It was in 1975 when United Nations recognized International Women's Day, and from 1996 it became a thing to celebrate women in society. Now as we know, women have established. It naturally the next question that arises that what is the significance of Women's Day? The main aim is to celebrate women's achievements in various fields and the roles they play, which could be that they are an artist, a teacher, an administrator, a politician, or a scientist. It is also embodied to raise awareness about women's rights and gender parity. Respectable chief guest, we can all agree that no country has achieved gender equality. Yet of gender equality doesn't even exist. Around the world, there are countries where women are need to raise a point about their lives and how they are treated. For ages, men have had more privileges in every aspect of life and society. We should be good pay skills, social status, voting percentage. But now we are living in the 21st century and the world is slowly moving towards gender balance. It's moving towards gender equality for both men and women. We should be equal pay skills, social status, and voting percentage for women. This change is necessary around the world because we all are humans and equal opportunities and respect should be given to everyone. Let me tell you the rights that Islam has given to a woman. The right to inherit our own properties, the right to choose her partner, the right to work and earn money, the right to her own business, the right to study, the right to vote, and many more. Women in many cultures and religions are still fighting for these rights, while Islam empowered women hundreds of years ago. Respectable chief guests, as we all know how important women are. They play various roles, sometimes a caring mother, sometimes a daughter, sometimes a sister, sometimes a wife, and so on. On this stage, it's important to show the women in your life that how much you care about them and how much you love them. So let us all not limit the respect and appreciation towards women only for the particular day, because every day is a celebration of humanity where women play equal and important role. So at last, I would like to say that if you restrict a woman's growth, you will restrict a family's growth. Thanks for listening to me.